And I am Merrily S. Pamugas, your ALS mobile teacher.
Today, we are going to discuss about computer hardware and software under the Learning LS6 Digital Citizenship Alternative Learning System. Did you know digital citizenship refers to the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society at any level? And our objectives for today would be, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the differences between computer hardware and software. And now, before we start our lesson for today, I have here things that I want you to identify the texture. And the first thing I have is a glove. What do you think is the texture for this? Is it soft or hard? Very good. And the next thing I have is a puncher. Is it soft or hard? Very good. And now we have a pocket tissue. Very good. Now we have a rock. Very good.
What are the TV stations in the Philippines?
TMA7, PBS-CBN, TV5.
What about the radio? Anyone who can tell me the radio stations available in Ormoc City?
Radyo Natin FM or MOC, Hot FM or MOC.
How about this one? A laptop. What are the computer applications?
Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word.
What are the social media platforms you use in sharing your ideas, photos, and others?
Google, Facebook, YouTube, video player.
Alright, good job everyone.
And now for our activity, I have here photos and icons, and I want you to group each icon according to their types and similarity. And now that we group already the following icons according to their types and similarities, what did you notice on the group 1 icon? Very good, class. You're correct. The group 1 icons are computer programs which we use every day. How about the group 2 icons? You're right. Group 2 icons are the things that can be seen, can be touched, and have a hard texture.
So the group 1 icons are examples of computer software. And the group 2 icons are examples of computer hardware. Alright, so let's talk about computer hardware. So what is the computer hardware? This is a physical device of a computer that you can see or touch. This is also a device that are required to store and execute or run the software. And next we have, what are the hardware types? The types of the hardware is input, we have storage, processing, control, and output devices. Now, what are the functions of computer hardware? Hardware serves as a delivery system for software solutions. The hardware of the computer is infrequently changed. In comparison with software and data, which are soft in the sense that they are readily created, modified, or erased on the computer. The next, what are the examples of computer hardware? First example we have CD-ROM. The next, monitor, printer, video card, scanners, label makers, routers, and modems. What about the durability of a hardware? So, the durability of the hardware, over time it wears out. And the nature of the hardware, it is physical in nature. Alright, so now we have software. Software is a program such as an operating system or a web browser that is able to instruct a computer's hardware to perform a specific collection of instructions that enables a user to interact with a computer. Software is a program that enables a computer to perform a specific task as opposed to the physical components of the system or hardware. What are the types of software? We have system software, programming software, and application software. And now we have the function of the software. It is to perform the specific task you need to complete. Software is generally not needed for the hardware to perform its basic level tasks such as turning on and responding to input. Now, what are the examples of software? We have QuickBooks, Adobe Acrobat, Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Apple Maps. And so, unlike hardware, which it wears out over time, software does not wear out over time. However, bugs are discovered in software as time passes. And software is logical in nature. Any questions? Did you understand our lesson for today? Alright, so since you understand our lesson for today, any volunteers who can answer what is a computer software?
Software is a program that instructs the computer hardware to do a specific task.
Very good. The next question. Who can give me at least 3 examples of computer software?
Excel, Facebook, Google.
Very good. So, anyone who can answer what is computer hardware?
Computer hardware is a physical device required to store and execute or run the software.
Alright, good job. So, what are the 3 examples of computer hardware?
Mouse, keyboard, CPU.
Very good. And lastly, anyone who can give me 3 examples or 3 differences between what is computer hardware and computer software? Alright, good job everyone. Okay, so if there are any damages in your computer parts, or if you want to install a software, where will you go? Can you name any computer shops that are found here in Normal City?
Ormocnet, Greenware, PC Tools.
Nowadays, we live in a digital world wherein technology is a part of our lives. However, there should be a limitation in using technology. Although there are a lot of advantages in using technology in which it makes our lives easier. However, there is also a disadvantage in using technology. One example for this is that it can be used in committing a crime, or what we know as cyber crime. Using your cell phone, list down the software and hardware, then write your explanation. And for your assignment, you need one whole sheet of paper. At your home, list down at least 3 things where you can see physical features. For example, your mother, greeting. And 5 internal features. For example, your mother is caring or kind. Once again, this is Francesca Maria Rabaya, your ALS volunteer. Good day and good luck.